Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can do the Capital One Shopping gift card update on Android. Alright, Capital One Shopping update has been going on iPhone for a long period of time and people have been cashing out from that update, but this is how you can do it exactly on Android phone, and you're also going to get paid. Alright, so make sure you download this strong VPN. So I'm going to drop APK link of this VPN on my Telegram channel. So go to the Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link of my Telegram channel in the description box below. So go to the Telegram channel and download this APK VPN to your on your Android phone. Then install it and turn your location to USA. Alright. So at the top right here, tap this icon, select USA, and turn it on. Alright. So once you are connected to USA, then head over to your Google Play Store, alright, and then search for Capital One Shopping app. Okay. So as you can see, the app is not showing on the list here. So all you have to do is to tap on this back icon, alright. This back icon, sorry. So tap on this, and this your profile icon, tap on it. Then this draw down, tap on it and select another Gmail on the list. Alright. Now you can search for the Capital One Shopping app. So as you can see, this is the app. So now install the app. Alright, install it. So once the app has installed, then open the app. Alright, tap on get started. So input your, okay, before you input your email, tap on skip. Alright, skip this. So alright, tap on menu, tap on more, then tap on sign in. So since you don't have account, you have to create a new account. So tap on create account, put your first name and your last name. Alright, then continue. So for this zip code, you can just go to your go to Google and search for any USA random zip code. So I'm actually going to do that right now. I'm going to make use of ChatGPT, okay, and search for any random USA zip code. So as you can see, I'm going to copy this and paste it there. So 98284, all right. Then, so this one that is asking you, do you have Amazon Prime. Just tap on no, all right, and continue. All right, then put your email. I'm actually going to be putting my email and password. Then put your password. So once you put your password, just select these two terms and create account. Then the account has been created, all right. So as you can see, the account has been created. Now this is the $25 reward, all right. Once you get this account created, you have to, you know, you have access to this $25. So but to claim the $25, um they have sent you an email. So go to your email, all right, go to your email. This one that says complimentary $25 is waiting. So tap on it to open, and here that they wrote redeem your free 25. So long tap on this redeem and copy URL. So once you have copied the URL, go to your PC, go to your laptop, right? Then open any browser that supports extension. So open any browser you have on your PC that supports extension. So but before you paste this URL you just copied on the search bar, before you paste the URL on your browser, on your PC browser, make sure you turn on your VPN to USA, right? Make sure you turn on your VPN on that PC to USA. If you don't have VPN, you can just search for VPN on Google. You can search for Windscribe VPN, okay? Windscribe on your Google search bar. So it's actually going to show you the one that you can download, or search for any free USA VPN on your PC or on your Microsoft, on your PC Microsoft app. So download and connect your VPN to USA before you paste this link on your what's it called, on your browser, right? So paste the link on your browser once you are connected to USA, then load it. It's actually going to show you that you should add this extension to Chrome. Add it to Chrome. Once I've added it to Chrome, it's going to redirect you to the Capital One shopping site where you're actually going to log in the account you just created. So log in the account and you are done with that. All right. So once you have logged in the account, the the banner in that your Capital One shopping app is actually going to be removed. So that means you have done the task, right? So and the gift card is going to drop in your email in the next 7 days or next 2 weeks. Maximum is 1 month, right? So that's how to do the Capital One shopping updates, okay, on Android, right? So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your gift card for cash. So if you are not following my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you are going to be notified, right?